Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today's theme was chosen by Allie from Allie's blog, and I'm dedicating it to my friend Aliana from Aliana Rivera because she loves unicorns. Here are the beautiful manicures that were prepared, and at the end I'll have individual photos. For my base, I applied this gorgeous Pure Eyes Shine nail polish called Good Glistener. To stamp, I'll use my Ejiubas DonDeeva plate and the BeautyBigBang plate XL007. To seal in the design, I'll use my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Don't forget to check the description box where I'll have links to everybody's video. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.